I've got a new toy to play with. It's an Instapot. Today, I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna give you my initial impressions and let you know what I have planned for the future. Let's get started. Obviously, Instapots have been around for years, so I'm not entirely unfamiliar with how they operate and what they do. I understand that they have a lot of auto cook features. Now, I tend to shy away from auto cook features simply because I've been cooking for 30 years. But that's kind of interesting because I love the auto features that you see in high-end home appliances like probe cooking, the Advanium cooking, these different things that you press a button and things cook perfectly. Your initial impression here is that it's larger than I expected. This box is huge. I got a trusty chef knife. My concern with a countertop appliance as big is, of course, where do you store it? My kitchen has limited storage space, like most people's kitchens, and I wouldn't probably put this in the basement or the garage to store it. Now, once it's relegated to the basement or garage, how often do you really go get it and use it? Really looking at this for the first time ever with a critical eye, I gotta tell you, it seems extremely well made right out of the box. Stainless steel, shiny, nothing's rattly, nothing's loose. The cord, really high quality cord. This were 10 years ago, and this were my first Instapot ever. My initial impression would be extremely positive, I must say. There's an instruction manual. You never read the instruction manual. So these, in with the trash. Let's bring it in a little closer here. I'm gonna plug it in. And on the screen we have off and a few choices here.
Soup broth, meat stew, green chili, poultry, slow cooked sauté, rice, multigrain, pork, steam, yogurt,
and pressure cook.
then it looks like we can adjust pressure level, keep warm, we can delay start, and finally cancel.
Why would you saute with the lid on? Sauteing is stirring and jumping. To me, this is not as intuitive as just using a saute pan. I found the manual. Status messages, control pressure features. The reason it's less intuitive is because you gotta read the instruction manual. Hopefully this will help answer some of the looming questions that I brought up. Well, my initial impression, confusing, complicated. I feel like there's some trial and error. I don't think there's anything that I could do in this that I couldn't do on the stovetop. What do I have planned for this next? Well, I'm gonna try to do pressure cook, something simple. I'm gonna buy a small whole chicken. I'm gonna put it in here on pressure cook and see what I get. That might change my opinion. Right now, I don't love it. Well, thanks for tuning in. That's my initial impression of an Instapot. Am I late to the party? Heck yeah. But can I catch up? I think so. Thanks for tuning in.